Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm going to teach you how you can make money with your WhatsApp. Yeah, I mean with your without doing anything. Actually, you're not going to do anything with just your WhatsApp. We all know WhatsApp is for chatting and other. Yeah, so as you all know, I always create US WhatsApp number, UK WhatsApp number, and all that. And it has come to a limit that okay, I have this a lot of WhatsApp. How do I go with it? Do I just leave them? So I decided to. How about I try sites that pay you by just linking your WhatsApp? And yeah, I try out some why they actually paid. So that's why I'm doing this video for you guys that also want to just earn something from WhatsApp. This these sites are for you. So before I will get started, I will show you some proof of withdrawal from the site and the actual payment. So let me so as you can see here, this is actually the withdrawal made from one of the accounts from one of the sites I want to discuss about. This is just one of the sites. So this is actually the withdrawal receipt, and this is the alert receipt. You can make more than this. You can actually make more than this. This is just a test for you guys. So let's get started. And so as you all know, there is con, though there is con, but I will just dive in straight to what we are going to do and how to go about it. So first of all, we all know you need WhatsApp account, and as for me that have a lot of WhatsApp that I've created, so I just decided to test it using the sites WhatsApp that I made, and actually they are really doing well. And yeah, nothing happened to their account. They don't use it for anything. They just pay you for linking it. And let me show you what I'm saying. First of all, we're going to start with is one of the sites called the share. So I'm going to drop the link in the description below. So once you come to the site is like this particular site is just for Nigerians. So if you're not in Nigeria actually, and you also want to make, just wait, I have another another side. The other side work for all over. So this is just for Nigerians. So you come here and click on sign up actually, because you're not getting your account. So once you click on sign up, you choose whether to use your phone or your phone number or your email. So I prefer using email, and you just sign up with your mail and regular signing in, and you click on send code, and code will be sent to your mail. And so that's it, how to sign up. So once you have signed up, it's just this simple. You'll be prompted to a place to log in. So let's log in now. Let's log into my account. All right, sorry. So as you can see now, we're in our account, and as you can see, I've already made 1,000 plus. So with, you can see the account here. I just connected an account and leave it to see if this actually works, and yeah, it works. So let's go and see the account actually, and from here you can see the account here. You can see the account that is actually working currently, and this account has made me over 1,000. So how this work is, once you come here, you click on link. Sorry, yeah, let me show you the revenue actually. From, let's go to withdrawal and check the withdrawal limit. So you can see you can place a withdrawal from 2 and here they say if you place a withdrawal of 2,200, you will be receiving 2,000. Actually, that's the withdrawal made from there also, from the proof I show you guys. And if you withdraw 3,300, you will receive 3,000. So, and my actual account balance currently is 1,000. So once I want to withdraw, maybe next week or tomorrow or anytime, I will make a video on that and place the withdrawal and the proof also. So let's come back here, and that's for the withdrawal, for the withdrawal limit and minimum withdrawal and everything. So now let's go to how does it works with the WhatsApp. Like, yeah, so if you go back here and click on and click on any of the accounts. Currently yours might not be like this, it just show you up something like this. And if you click on one like start earning, so it will prompt a site for you like this down right here, right? All right, for you to get income. So you click on it. If you click on it, it will prompt you to something like this. Remember I said this is actually just for Nigerians. So as you all know, Nigerian number will start with +234. So sorry, start with +234. And so what we do now is we actually need an account, one account. So I'm going to be getting an WhatsApp number from Nigerian WhatsApp number, and let's do one video with sample with it just here right now. And let's go. All right, let me. So now let's try and sign up a new WhatsApp. And yeah, let's see. All right, I'm using this let me pause. Let me open my Wi-Fi. So I'm using this multi-space because I heard is good. Yeah, it's good. So let's open WhatsApp. Sorry, click on it. So let's open. Continue on. Sorry, let's on the data. So let's continue. Here we put the number and continue. Let me post this WhatsApp registration and we continue after the. Alright, so after we have created the WhatsApp, so we head over to the over to here to the browser. So here we just click on income and input the number we just register. So you click on get code. So before that, let me on this and make this like this. Alright, so as you can see, it has generated the code, but I don't think I get the number correct. It shows a notification. Let me check something. 0370705555745. Yeah. So let's go to here. Then in your WhatsApp, you can see what I'm doing. If you click on this top button, so you click on link device. When you click on link device, click on link again. Click on link device. Then here use link with phone number instead. This down button, you can see a button down here. This specific one here. You click on it. So if you click on it, it will bring a prompt like this for you. So, and from the prompt you can see here, you can see this is the code right here. So you come here and write the code out because you can't paste it actually. Then ZNAES, and you can see it's logging in. So you allow them to process the login. So let me just pause the video and let the stuff be done. Alright, so you can see now the device is linked. You can see Chrome markers, and here is the device. You can see the device is already here, which is marked earning. So, and if you want to check out the order of my device, this one that is currently working and that generate these actual amounts for me, if we go and check the app, sorry, if we check it, you can see that if you check this account, you notice that they did nothing with the account. This OTP was from me. They did nothing with the account, and the account makes me this much. So it's risk free. You can, if you have multiple number, just create WhatsApp with them, and if you already have them, just link them and start earning from it. So the other side, I will be faster due to the time. I don't want this video to be long. So the other side was previously called Apocal, but they recently update the app and make it a digit domain. So this is the 523. I will drop the link in the description anyway. So here also the registration is simple. If you click on create, you can see just put your email or phone number, same as that previous one, and you put the promo code, which is your referral link. And yeah, here is to which you don't really must do. So let's log in here to this account. Yeah, if we log in here, you can see here it says I have just 100 points. This 100 points, not naira as of that one, because I said this one is general. You can do it anywhere. It does not matter where your location is. And yeah, so if you, for here, the withdrawal, let's see if I do, the withdrawal, minimum withdrawal is 220 points. This 220 point is equivalent to $2, and equivalent in naira is 3,000, which is 1 point here. Each 1 point is let me see, about 16 naira. Yeah, 16 naira. If you make it up, sorry, 13 naira. Each 1 point is 13 naira. So 220, yeah, 220 times 16, yeah, it will give you the actual amount. So, and if that's just it over here about the withdrawal each. So now, as I have this point here, I have 107 points. That would be 107 points times that times 13, yeah, which will be about 2 something or 1 something. So and for the account linking, you will see the interface is different, because if you can click on, if you click on this sign, this scan right here, this scan, that's where you click in this. So if you click on it, it will bring out to something like, then you click obtain, the down button here, obtain QR code. You click on it here, you can see you can change it to any location you want. So, and if you check my, if you click on here, bound number, you can see the number I've actually linked. You can see most of the numbers here are actually US numbers, because you all know I have a lot of US number. So, and I don't get use of them, so I just link them here and allow them to make the money for me. So, and if I check out the WhatsApps, the WhatsApp, you can see the WhatsApp they actually did. If you click on it, you can see actually linked, and they actually did nothing with it also. They just link it and leave it there. That's just what they know the best. And yeah, so it's risk free. They don't use your account for anything. They just link it and leave it like that. That's it for this video. So if you have any question, drop it in the comment section. And yeah, let's all make money.